The technological tremor that recently reverberated across the digital cinematography and compact camera cosmos began with a baffling social media cascade when a regional content creator, acting on unverified insider whispers, disseminated provocative renderings initially suggesting the revolutionary redesign of the eagerly anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 4, a new generation gimbal camera that is expected to redefine mobile videography and vlogging standards, particularly for the exploding vertical content market that dominates YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, thus immediately igniting a fervent, almost chaotic, discourse across various online creator communities and technical forums focused on portable filming gear. This sensationalized leak, originally posted with the cautionary Portuguese caption translating to "very strange the buttons, the rotating screen," then a screen on the back, proposed a breathtaking departure from the established Pocket aesthetic, featuring an unprecedented dual-camera module housed beneath a unified, sleek optical glass surface, a groundbreaking camera feature never before witnessed in any iteration of the acclaimed Pocket series, a deviation so radical it lent immediate, albeit suspicious, credibility to the whispers of a completely revamped camera architecture and sensor technology. The subsequent frenzy was amplified by the fact that this purported design bore a striking resemblance to a conceptual mock-up previously floated by an established hardware leaker, also showcasing a dual-lens imaging system. Yet the new images introduced perplexing elements like highly unusual ergonomic button placements, a truly twistable OLED display mechanism, going beyond the rotation of its predecessor, and the inclusion of a secondary rear screen, a combination of specifications that many tech journalists and camera enthusiasts flagged as a potential, skillfully executed AI-generated hoax designed to test the waters of consumer excitement and generate viral engagement. A suspicion the original poster explicitly voiced but which was, regrettably and universally obscured, by the sheer velocity of the image's uncontrolled spread. The collective yearning for a Pocket 4 announcement is rooted in the confirmed rumors of a dramatic sensor upgrade, specifically the integration of a substantially larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, a monumental leap in image quality and low-light performance far surpassing prior generations, positioning the Pocket 4 to directly challenge the top-tier action camera market and even entry-level mirrorless cameras with its professional-grade video. Interestingly, industry analysts posit that this full 1-inch sensor might not be a direct, uncropped implementation but rather a meticulously tubed design that utilizes a slightly smaller, more compact cropped sensor area to maintain the signature pocket-sized form factor and manage thermal dissipation, a critical factor in miniature devices capable of high-resolution recording. This speculation ties into a broader, forward-thinking trend within the manufacturer's product line, evidenced by their recent pivot towards square-format sensors and innovative products like the Osmo Action 6 and Osmo 360 spherical capture device, a direction the Pocket may wholeheartedly embrace, potentially employing a 13.2mm by 13.2mm square sensor which would unlock an unparalleled capability, shooting uncompromised, true 4K vertical video without the resolution sacrifice, like the Pocket 3's vertical 3K limit, inherent in traditionally rectangular sensors. A game-changing feature that would establish the Pocket 4 as the undisputed best vlogging camera for the modern age of vertical social media dominance. Furthermore, the rumors suggest a monumental uplift in video recording performance, including native support for 6K resolution at 30 frames per second, 6K per 30 frames per second, which, while perhaps not the final delivery format for every creator, offers invaluable post-production flexibility for reframing, hyperstabilization, and digital zoom without incurring a significant quality penalty, alongside the eagerly awaited inclusion of 4K per 120 frames per second for capturing stunning, buttery smooth cinematic slow-motion footage directly within the tiny device, a feature crucial for filmmakers and serious content strategists seeking a competitive edge in high-speed videography. Further enhancements in the camera's optical control are expected, with some leaks hinting at a variable aperture system spanning $f/2.0 to $f/4.0, providing creators with unprecedented control over exposure settings and depth of field for achieving a more cinematic look. Though an alternative, and perhaps more pragmatic, rumor suggests the retention and enhancement of the device's integrated neutral density (ND) filter system, potentially upgrading it to a comprehensive 5-stop ND filtration mechanism, which would simplify the process of achieving optimal exposure continuity in intensely bright outdoor settings, thus eliminating the need for creators to constantly carry and attach external filters. Beyond these core imaging specs, the Pocket 4 is projected to introduce several essential features for a modern, professional workflow, including substantially increased onboard storage, rumored to be 32 GB or more, seamless expandability via micro SDXC media, and the inclusion of a 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, a crucial logarithmic gamma curve that maximizes the dynamic range of the captured footage, offering colorists the necessary chrominance and luminance flexibility for nuanced and detailed color grading in DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. Additional workflow enhancements are rumored, such as native Osmo audio support for effortless pairing with the company's wireless microphones, ensuring broadcast quality audio, and potential 360 degrees panning capabilities within the gimbal's operation, echoing features from high-end smartphone gimbals. Despite these powerful advancements, one persistent omission in the rumor mill remains the absence of a dedicated, physical gimbal motor lock mode, a feature highly requested by the user base for secure transportation and rapid deployment of the micro gimbal. Regarding the official product launch, while some sources prematurely point to a mid-December 2025 release, a more grounded timeline, aligning with the manufacturer's typical product cycle and major trade show schedules, suggests a broader Q1 2026 debut, possibly coinciding with the high-profile CES 2026 event, with the expected retail price point of around $500 to $600 reflecting the premium nature of the vastly improved sensor and feature set, making it a highly compelling, albeit more expensive, option in the portable video gear category. In a parallel and equally electrifying development in the aerial imaging space, the highly anticipated Avata 360 immersive FPV drone made its definitive, real-world appearance within the United States Federal Communications Commission (FCC) database on November 19, 2025, an official regulatory filing that signifies the machine has successfully navigated a crucial legal and technical checkpoint, marking a strong, concrete confirmation that this next-generation FPV flying camera is rapidly approaching its global consumer availability. This key FCC certification, listed under the IDSS-3 DVN3NT, validates the drone's compliance with stringent wireless communication and electronic safety standards required for operation in the U.S. market, a process also mirrored by its IC certification for the Canadian market, effectively transitioning the Avata 360 from pure speculation into the tangible realm of a commercial product ready for mass deployment, proving the company's unwavering commitment to drone innovation even amidst heightened regulatory and geopolitical scrutiny surrounding UAS, unmanned aerial systems, technology. Technical details gleaned from the regulatory documents, further enriched by leaked promotional materials, portray the Avata 360 as an exceptionally versatile and powerful cinematic FPV drone, notably featuring a robust, enlarged 38.6 Wh intelligent flight battery, a significant capacity increase over its predecessor, which translates to an estimated 25 minutes of flight time and an impressive operational range of up to 20 kilometers thanks to the advanced OcuSync 4.0 transmission system. Crucially, the drone is poised to deliver dual 1/1.1-inch image sensors within a rotating camera module, granting the unique ability to seamlessly switch between conventional forward FPV flight and a revolutionary 360-degree capture mode, enabling breathtaking panoramic aerial video at a stunning 8K resolution, $8K/50 FPS, while still supporting a dedicated 4K per 120 frames per second mode for classic high-speed FPV maneuvers and capturing spectacular 38-megapixel panoramic still images, all with the added benefit of the 10-bit D-Log-M profile for professional-grade post-production color science and maximum dynamic range retention. The anticipated Fly More combo price point, rumored to be in the range of $1,099 to $1,299, firmly positions the Avata 360 as a leader in the professional FPV cinematography sector for the coming year, ready to dominate the aerial content creation space in 2026.